Did you know 1 in 5 Americans have hearing loss? It's the third most common physical condition in the U.S. But private treatment can cost thousands of dollars out of pocket. In fact, the White House reported the average hearing aid costs more than $2,300. And they're not covered by Medicare or most private insurance policies. That means you'd have to pay almost $5,000 for a pair on average. Fortunately, now there are affordable solutions from MDHearingAid. These real FDA-registered hearing aids are available online for less than $200. And every hearing aid comes with a 45-day risk-free trial. Start your trial now